Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of CS Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. I'm so excited to bring you this recipe, original recipe from Yeung Man Cooking. He's a new channel that I actually just discovered, and he makes a lot of vegetarian and vegan options for Chinese style cooking. And these ones here, these garlic chili noodles are super awesome, super easy to make, super quick, very tasty. And what I love about it is he actually uses extra firm tofu, which I love. I'm a huge tofu lover. It's not a secret. I use it in a lot of my cooking. And when crumbled down and cooked with the dark soy sauce, it caramelizes, it toasts up quite nicely, and it looks and resembles ground beef or minced meat or ground pork or whatever you want to use. And it tastes super good. It's very filling, very yummy. And I used a mixture of different noodles that I had in my freezer, my homemade udon noodles, as well as some thicker instant noodles. Anything that can really catch the sauce will be really good in this recipe. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. All right, here are our ingredients. So I have a handful of scallions, I got a head of garlic here, a little knob of ginger, we have one package of extra firm tofu, I have a mix of noodles, thicker ones are better. We got some sesame oil, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and red hot chili flakes. So in a bowl, we're gonna begin to crumble our extra firm tofu, and you really want it into nice small pieces. Set that aside, and then we're gonna cut up our scallions here, separating the whites from the greens. We're gonna go ahead and heat our oil, and then we're gonna add in our tofu. We're gonna add in our dark soy sauce and stir fry that for about 10 minutes. Set it aside. Back to your chopping board, mincing up a knob of ginger as well as a head of garlic. And then we're gonna, again, in the same wok, heat up some oil with our scallions, garlic, ginger, and then stir frying that, adding in our tofu mixture, adding in our oyster sauce, mixing and combining. Look at that. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and bring some water to a boil and cook your noodles according to package directions, and then adding in our cooked noodles together, tossing it with our tofu mixture here. How good does this look? Ground sesame seeds here. We also have some chopped up scallions, the green parts that we reserved from earlier, and then adding in a little Sichuan chili oil on top. Bon appetit! If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you for next week. Bye!